Many people have had the experience of buying a house, and that's a fairly simple process compared to building a house. So the real challenge now is shifting that focus from, okay, how much money do I have, to how can I optimize the money that I have, and what is it that I need to do just to get a new house created, whether it's to go somewhere else and buy a house, maybe become a non-homeowner. So there's a lot of decision points that sort of have to be dealt with, I think, in the whole process, especially as the cost to rebuild what you vision as your new house can be also a source of trauma and distress, because there's so much uncertainty in the rebuild costs. The resources are too scarce and the costs too unpredictable.
What I find exciting is that the community of the county, the permit center, the banks, the architects, the attorneys, the contractors are also looking at how they can step in and collaborate together to help people, overcome the obstacles in this process. And there are teams forming that are working towards, one-stop shopping for the custom build house versus the tract home. And they themselves have family members or themselves who've lost their homes. So they really have an invested heart, in the rebuild process.